Google ended its I/O conference with an interesting surprise. The company showed its new augmented reality glasses. A key feature that Google demonstrated was the ability to see translations from other languages right before your eyes. Unfortunately, the company did not share details about these glasses. Google has only shown a video that demonstrates the principle of the glasses. As the language of the other party sounds, the native language translation appears in real time in the user's field of view. However, the display or way of interacting with the glasses was not shown. It is also not specified when such a device may appear on the market. Instead, Google CEO Sundar Pichai shared the company's vision in augmented reality. He noted that the company is investing heavily in this area. And augmented reality can be used in a variety of products, not limited to smartphones or glasses. We embed augmented reality in many Google products, from Google Lens to multi-search, scene research and interactive and immersive representations in maps, said Sundar Pichai.